My name is Yashas Yadav, and I'll be guiding you through the demonstration of my application Xenofy, a multi-tenant Shopify data ingestion and insight service. So now let's begin with the demo. As you can see here, this is the front-end dashboard of my application Xenofy. It's a multi-tenant Shopify analytics platform. It provides you with real-time Shopify data insights, customer segmentation and customer lifetime value analysis, inventory management, and alerts. And finally, business intelligence reports. So now there are two options: sign in and sign up. For the existing users, sign in, and for the new ones, sign up. Now over here, if you see, if you are a new user, you'll have to provide your email, password, company name, domain, and your Shopify admin API key. Now what is this Shopify admin API key? Now for the purpose of this demo, I have built a store. It's a custom, it's a store with pre-generated items by the name of Xenofy store. Xenofy store 1 to be exact, and it has these random objects, these products. It was already pre-generated by Shopify itself, and here you can see this was the home section, this is the catalog. Yeah, now this shop has 17 products in total, as you can see here. And for my application, for my platform Xenofy to ingest data from this particular store, this needs to have the API credentials, or more particularly the admin API access token. As you can see here, this is the token used in my application. Through this token, and over here you can see the overview of this like Xenofy Insights. This actually you'll have to go to app development overview. Over here, Xenofy Insights. I've already installed this application for my store. It's in the description, and I'm the developer. And configuration, I have configured it to get to read as many to basically ingest as much data as possible, to give full-fledged analytics, full-fledged analysis of your store. And over here you can see here the API credentials. Now this API credential, I've already pre-configured it, so I'll just have to give in the demo email over here. I'll have to just copy this, paste here, and the demo password. Now just have to sign in. Whoa, let's go. Here I've created in my platform there are 5 sections: overview, analytics, customers, inventory, and insights. Coming to overview, the overview dashboard has total 5 customers. For my particular store, this is all just dummy data. Like, since this is a dummy store which I've created, it has dummy products, dummy customers, dummy orders. Everything is just generated. So yeah, products, 17 products, as I already mentioned. These are all 17 products. So yeah, the recent activity dashboard. Over here you can see all the recent activity. Then coming to analytics, revenue trends. Now in revenue trends, there is no prior data to compare this current revenue to. So this is just a static figure. Then the conversion funnel, and over here orders by date. Or if you can set a filter to see to take a look at your orders according to a particular segment of time, in a particular segment of date. Now coming to the customers, you have the customer analysis here. Total customers 5, the customer lifetime value, and the AOV per transaction, the average order value. You can see here the top 5 customers by spend. You can take a look here. And what I've done here is that I've segregated the customers according to how much they are spending on your particular store. In my particular store, in this occasion, now you can see here there is one high value customer, which is, you can see, Rahul Sharma. Because this guy has spent over $1 lakh on this. This dummy person has spent over $1 lakh on my dummy store. So he's a high value customer. Then we have 3 regular customers. This is the range, 50,000 till 1 lakh. Then a new customer, 10,000 till 50,000. You can see here. So yeah. Now coming to the inventory, you can see total 17 products. Already I've shown you. These are the 17 products. And in over low stock items, turnover 8, stock alerts, and top selling products, as you can see here. Suppose this is the 3P fulfilled snowboard. So this particular one, this is actually the top selling product, the draft snowboard. This is actually by you can see here revenue and how many units and how much increment these are having compared to the previous months. Then the stock alerts, you can see here, you like as an owner of a store, of an online store, you need to know how much stock you have left of your products. So this is of huge importance in my opinion. You can see here, these are the warnings. So yeah, and finally coming to the insight section, here I have implemented all the major business algorithms which are required for deep analysis. So like these are the few basic ones: customer lifetime value, average order value, customer retention, conversion rate. Then we come to the growth projections and insights: revenue growth potential, next month projection, monthly target customer acquisition, churn risk assessment, a very important, a very crucial factor, monthly active users and all. And this is, I would say, one of the flagship features of my application, the strategic recommendations. You can see here, marketing optimization, high priority. Now priority is based upon the impact this particular action will have. 25 more than 20% is high priority, 10% or less is low priority. So here you can see these are like marketing optimization, high priority, 25% impact, medium priority because 15%, customer retention strategy, production optimization, high priority, 20%, and low, finally pricing strategy is not a low priority in general, but for this case, because these three are having more impact, that's why this one is having 10% revenue optimization. So compared to these three, it has a low priority. So yeah, this was all for my application. You can have a deep overview of all the tools which I use to make my website over here in my GitHub handle, which I have attached. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this demo, and thank you. Have a really nice day. Thank you.